Now, there are other types of lines. What are they? Called a ray. Now, what do we call a ray? Let's start at 0, 0. Remember what you said? 0, 0 into that. Now, you see what happens here. If I zoom back a bit, this thing's large. It just keeps going. I can put lines down which are arrayed like a sun's ray. It just goes as far as you can imagine. The second type of line that is also a continuous kind of thing you can use for construction purposes is called an infinite line. Now look at the choices here at the bottom. You've got a bisect, horizontal, vertical, angle, parallel. I'm just going to type H. Now be careful something here. If my key cursor is in this gray area, it won't function. Your cursor needs to be in the black background, the drawing area. If I type H, look what happens. And I put a point down, it's just going to a horizontal line. And I can put it down somewhere just in space because there's nothing designed. I can keep going, put as many lines as I want. I hit escape when I'm done. Now remember the last thing, repeat infinite line, right click on the background. I'm now going to take a V for vertical and type and see what happens. I just plonk them down. I can put lines down as much as I want. Okay, so those are lines, handling lines. Okay. Right, now let's do something interesting. I want to draw some other lines, for example, bisect, but I want to change the color of this line. Now I'm drawing in white. We're going to go to format, and we can go all the way down to here, colors. You can choose your color or select color at the top, and then you can choose a red, for example. That's one way of doing it. The other way is to see what's happened at the bottom here. If I right click on the current color there, you can then choose a color there, for example, green. Okay, that's changing although and we'll talk about layers shortly, but we're just changing the color of the line. Now, what I want to do is to show you that we can have a different type of thing, like the bisect, fantastic little function. Draw infinite line, you'll see a choice called bisect. Hit B for bisect. It's asking you what's the origin point of this thing. Okay, so let's click on that point there, and what's the start of a bisect angle? I want to click that in, make sure you've got intersection switched on. That's the start, and that's the other intersection point there. It's going to draw me a green line. Now check, if I keep going, it's going to bisect where the start point was, and it's going to bisect this thing and just keep going. All right, that's the easy way. Now remember, bisecting, you'll use it in drafting a lot. Okay, I think that's enough for lines at the moment. We're going to call that a day at that point. I look forward to sharing you next. It's going to be up circles.